I did it. I didn't do it.
You made it so big and strong. And you so famous.
I've done terrible things, but not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, give me to the plant so that it can live and bring you all the wonderful things you deserve.
No, you don't know what you're saying.
But I do. It's the one gift I can give you. And if I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So in a way, we'll always be together. You wash my tenderly. You smell my sweet perfume. You water me and care for me. You watch me fun and bloom. I'm feeling strangely happy now, contented and serene. Oh, don't you see? Finally, I'll be somewhere there.
Thanks, sweetheart. Wait.
Oh,
Mr. Krelborn? Mr. Krelborn!
Leave me alone.
Patrick Martin, Licensing and Marketing Division, World Botanical Enterprises, and I have a gilt-edged proposition for you, boy.
I'm not interested.
Let me explain in more detail. It's really a very simple licensing agreement. We take a few cuttings, we develop Audrey tubes, we sell them to florists across the nation. Pretty soon, every household in America will have one. I've got trucks out back, and Pop, if it's okay with you, we'll start taking cuttings now. Imagine it, boy. Audrey tubes. Everywhere. Why, with the right advertising, this could be bigger than hula hoops.
Bigger than hula hoops. Much bigger.
every household in America, thousands of you. That's what you had in mind all along, isn't it?
No shit, sure not.
We're talking about the world conquest.
And I want to thank you.
You're a monster, and so am I.
Mr. Krillborn! Okay, girls. All you have to do is snip some of the smaller leaves and replant them in these pots. I've got trucks waiting outside. Open up the vans, boys. We're ready to start loading.
Has a plan for me.